A year on since the global pandemic hit the UK, retailers are feeling the pain. Normally thriving towns and cities are empty, with shops and restaurants having been forced to close their doors to customers for months. When Boris Johnson announced shops could reopen again on the 12th of April, many took to social media to celebrate.
Earlier than the 12th of April, and this is a big moment because shops will return and reopen.
But the economy is not predicted to fully recover until the middle of next year, 2022. With budgets tight, marketing teams are asking themselves, where should they put their effort? What opportunities are staring you in the face that you might be missing? The solution many retailers turned to in the previous lockdowns was to empower their employees to share content directly to their own followers and friends on social media, massively increasing their reach and engagement and customer loyalty. Clients of Togethr saw a 106% increase in engagement in the first month of lockdown and an increase of 80% in impressions in month 2. If you're worried about how to get customers back into the door once lockdown ends, this approach works. A recent survey shows 77% of consumers want brands to talk about how they are helping them in navigating the new, everyday life since the pandemic took hold. So get all your employees who can onto social media. Get them talking about your stores, new products, special offers, your countdown to reopening. Make it everyone's responsibility to do this. Your team shares the responsibility and the successes. They share the joy of reopening the doors, of reconnecting with customers, of making the business work again. Brand messages reach 561% further when shared by employees versus the same messages shared by official brand social channels. Use our Go and Find Your Customers toolkit to activate your employees to become social media ambassadors for your business, sharing stories about what your brand stands for, how you support customers, and how you make a difference to the lives of your community. No matter what size your business, we've put together a special program to support you.
Our clients have seen a significant increase in awareness and engagement through their employee ambassador programs since COVID and the lockdown started. We're taking the learnings from our experience with these big companies and sharing them with you here. Many people have called for a revitalisation of the high street and of retail. They're calling for a more human high street that moves away from homogenisation towards a more enriching experience. But this can only truly happen through collaboration. We'd love to talk to you about how together we can create and rebuild a more human high street. Please do get in touch.